To solve for x in this problem, you'd want to consider setting the equation equal to 0 and then see what you have. So take away 9x squared from both sides of the equation. From here, there's two terms, so I don't want to write down two sets of parentheses and jump right in. The first thing I want to do is always look for a common term that can be factored out of both. And in this case, it looks like 9 will go into both of those numbers, and then x squared would be the smallest variable that could be factored out. So if I take out a 9x squared, I've got to have two terms then inside the parentheses. So when I multiply it back through, I get the 27x cubed minus 9x squared. So for my first term, you can think of it as 9 goes into 27 3 times. So I've got 9 times 3 is 27. X to the 2 times x to the 1 gives me x to the 3. And then something times 9x squared gives me negative 9x squared. That's going to have to be negative 1. From here, set each factor equal to 0. Solve for x. On this one, you're just going to add 1 to both sides and divide off by 3. So that'll get you one of the solutions. And on the other side, get the squared term by itself, so divide both sides by 9. And when the 0's on top, the answer is 0, and then x squared equals 0, so x would also have to be just 0. And those would be your solutions.